Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to continue looking at the Nutanix Cluster Questionnaire, and we're going to move on to the cluster network settings section for this one, specifically just this left half. So first, I just want to talk a little bit about some of the VLANs that are Nutanix specific. So we have our hypervisor management and CVM VLAN. If you're unfamiliar with the CVM, that stands for Controller Virtual Machine. That's a Nutanix specific virtual machine. There's one CVM that runs on each host, and these are responsible for your read-write I/O, data manipulation like compression, data replication between nodes or replication between sites for DR, and several other functions. We also have IPMI, which stands for Intelligent Platform Management Interface. This is your out-of-band management, kind of like your iDRAC or ILO. If for some reason there's an issue with this main network, this acts sort of as a second line of defense so that you can still reach your cluster. You can still troubleshoot. All right. So first thing to put here is the VLAN ID for each of these VLANs. Then you'll put your IP address range and subnet. Here, the cleanest way to do this is just to put the network IP address / and then the prefix length. So for instance, you could put 10.0.1.0/24. And then finally, your gateway, nothing to say there. If you'd like to learn more about how Nutanix works, I recommend you go to the Nutanix Bible. This breaks down all the different components of Nutanix into separate books. I recommend just starting with the first one, the Book of Basics, and you can scroll down to the bottom and it's broken up into chapters so you can jump to whichever section interests you. This is a great resource for those who are new to Nutanix, or even if you have some experience and you just want to learn a little bit more about it. All right, I'm going to stop this video here. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to your project manager. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.